though it's pajama day, and even though it's going to be not well, crazy monkey. You love this, you need to do it. Because it's going to be different.
All right, so I've got a fun activity for us. And our I can statement is I can write 2 facts about my pajamas. So we're gonna do that in a little bit, but before we do that, I thought it would be fun if we had a little pajama parade. That's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. So we're gonna have half of you. I'll call out 2 rows probably to go first, but we're gonna have half the class doing the parade. And as they're doing the parade, the other half will be watching them. So you can turn around in your seats if you want, because we're going to be walking around the classroom, just like this. You can walk on this purple row, just make sure not to trample over Hudson or Semensky. And we wanna walk in the same direction so that we're not having any traffic jams. You can walk all the way around the desk. And I'm going to be playing some fun music. So if you want to stop and pose or do a little dance, you totally can. But just make sure you're not touching anyone or running into anyone. Okay? So, Timothy, do you have a question?
There's roasted saddles.
Yes. So we're going to take turns. So I'm going to have, yes, sir. I think Leah's row should definitely go first because it is her birthday. So how about we have the orange row and our chair friends go first. So find a spot in the classroom to start. Make sure you have enough space in between you and the next person. And everyone else that's on the rug, make sure you can turn around to look at your friends walking around, but you're staying in your seat. So you should be sitting on your lap or have your hands in your lap with your legs crossed. Okay, and then when I pause the music, we're gonna switch. Okay, so when I start the music, you can go ahead and walk slowly, or you can dance around the classroom, but don't run, okay?
So it's getting late, let's get ready to celebrate. It's pajama time. Oh, it's pajama time. Put on the bottoms, put on the top. Get yourself set to pajama bebop. It's pajama time. Yeah, it's pajama time. Some are old and some are new. Some are red and some are blue. Some are fuzzy, some are not. But we can all pajama in whatever we got. It's pajama time. Yeah, it's pajama time. Pajama to the left, pajama to the right. Pajama to the yeah. Everybody's wearing them on Saturday night. Pajama to the yeah. All around the room in one big line. Wearing our pajamas and looking so fine.
All right, can we give our friends a round of applause for their parade? Great job. Thank you for being so respectful, not touching anyone while you're walking. Find your spot on the floor or in your chair. We're gonna have Savensky's row, the blue row, and green and red. Now it's your turn. So find a spot in the classroom. Oh, yeah.
Some are mean and some are mean. Some are the ugliest you ever seen. I can strap you up the track, but we can all pajama in whatever we got. It's pajama time. Yeah, pajama time. At the end of the day, it's got to be pajama time. Now did you hear what I say? It's got to be pajama time. Hop in there, turn out the light. Be cozy in your covers and say goodnight. Load your little lights and keep the snow. But hold on a minute, there's one thing more. Before you go on off to sleep, I just want to say, it's pajama time.
All right, thank you so much. That was so fun. So now we're gonna transition over to the TV area. So when I say do, it's gonna be fun. So when I say go, I'm gonna have you walk quietly in your rows. Can I have Spencer's row go first? And then our green row, orange row, find the spot quietly by the TV, red row.
It's falling butter.
And our chair friend, will you find the spot over here?
No, it's because I know they're like. Anywhere. I can see that. I don't even know.
I don't know why my TV is not turning on.
I don't know. It must be not.
Well, I started it over.
That's okay. I can just show it to them and.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you for waiting for me patiently and quietly. So today we're going to write 2 facts about our pajamas. And you get to do some coloring and make your bed and draw what your pajamas look like. So this is a really fun activity. But first, we're going to work on the writing. So we won't worry about the drawing right now. Can anyone tell me what to write a fact is? What is a fact? Let's see, Jaylyn. Okay. Thanks. That's true. So we're writing something that's true about our pajamas today. So I want you to think to yourself, what can I write about? Could I write about the color or maybe how it feels? The animals on it. Solomon? They're old. It's old. Maybe if you're wearing old pajamas, you could write about how your pajamas are old. So now we're going to write about my pajamas, Miss Chapdelaine's pajamas. So can you think of something that you might notice about my pajamas that we could write about? Let's hear from Marley. That is true. There are dogs in my pajamas. Sawyer? There are bows. Michael? I do have red pants. May. That's true. You guys are picking out things I didn't even notice about my pajamas. I'm so impressed. Thomas?
You haven't been no bad.
That's true. But I don't wear it when I go to bed. I take it off. Okay, so let's write down some things that about my pajamas. So if we wanted to start the sentence with my pajamas are, what could we write in that sentence so it would make sense? Maggie. That's true. Sorry, I need to clarify. We're talking about my Miss Chapdelaine's pajamas right now. So what could we write about Miss Chapdelaine's pajamas that would make sense in the sentence? Adams? I can't hear Adam very clearly. Can you speak up? My pajamas are dogs. Is there a different way we could phrase it? That's okay. How about I start us off? What if we write, my pajamas are red and black? Let's write that. And I'm writing with the marker right now so you can see it when I hold it up, but I want you to write in pencil, okay? My pajamas are red and black. And when we come to the end of a sentence, what should I do? Woo. I need to remember my period because we're at the end of the sentence. All right, let's find one more fact. One more thing I could write about. Who have I not heard from yet? Robert. They have dogs on them? That's a great sentence. Okay, so when I start a sentence, what do I need to remember to do? Michael.
Capital letter.
Bingo, you got it. What did you say again, Robert? They have dogs on them? They have dogs. Maybe if I write here, you can still see. They have dogs. Okay, maybe only some of you can see that, but hopefully you get the idea. But Thomas, did you have a thought or a question? That is so true. So there's so many things we could write about, but I want you to at least pick 2 facts that you can write about your pajamas. So can I have everyone show me your fingers, on your fingers, how many facts are we writing about? 2. Perfect. Okay, so I want you to turn to a partner and brainstorm and talk about what you could write about. You have 10 seconds, go. Okay, I've heard so many great ideas. So now I'm going to hand out our papers here. And I'm going to have everyone who's wearing pajamas with animals come up to me and get a paper. And when you return to your desk, I want you to sit down quietly and work quietly. And if you finish early, we still have plenty of Dr. Seuss books, so you can take a look at one of those, okay? Okay, if you have Christmas pajamas, come on up. Or winter themed. Sure. Okay, anyone else who hasn't gotten a paper, you can come up and look. Remember, we're writing our sentences first, and then we'll worry about drawing. Sound it out. Yes. There are some words that I think a lot of you are going to want to use. So I'm going to write them down, okay? These are lots of good words. So this word is furry. And remember, we talked about fur in our UR. But if we're saying furry, it has 2 R's and then ends with Y.
How do you spell nice?
Okay. Can you sound it out? Okay. So nightgown, C-O-W, and that's down. Okay, what's the word? Can you sound it out for me? And then I'll help you. How do you think it's spelled?
And then they are.
I believe in you. You can do it. Sound out there. Where did you sound it out like?
It looks fun.
Sound it out. It's on your cheek.
Is this how you spell polar bear? There was so much chapter. You do?
Here, let's go check. I'll come check it out.
Can you read it, Timothy?
My pajamas are blue and brown. My pajamas have skirts.
Oh, yep, and then polar. What's that? R. Polar.
I think I know more.
Okay, did you finish coloring? Now you can start coloring.
Can you read what you wrote, Michael?
My pajamas are white and gray. It has T-Rexes.
Do you have two facts? Very good. Good job. Marley, can you read what you wrote?
My pajamas are purple and black.
Do you have two facts? Very good. Thomas, can you read what you wrote?
My pajamas are warm. My pajamas have BYU.
Do you have two facts? Very good.
What O-R? Hold on 1 second, I'm helping Natalie. F-O. Definitely.
And then you do up and then it upbeat. And then it's all
Sure.
yay.
Yes, can you find this and start working on this? When we're done with our papers, we're putting them in Mrs. Carlsman's mailbox, okay? How does it start?
Leah, can you read what you wrote?
Blue and it has an animal.
Do you have two facts? Leah, did you write two facts?
You see one of my snacks.
Excellent. Solomon, can you read what you
So
wrote?
friends, when we're writing, we need to write 2 sentences.
Excellent.
What about my potatoes are pink, period, and they have points, or and they have points.
What did you write so far,
It doesn't make
Sabinsky?
sense. They are, it has points.
You have two facts. Good job. Sawyer, can you read your writing to me?
I kind of messed up on it.
Okay, read what you wrote and then read what you wanted to write.
R has pandas and it has pink.
Is that what you wanted to write or was it something else? What did you want to write?
It has pink. And it has pandas.
Okay. Do you have two facts? Do you have two facts? Two details?
Thank you for working so quiet.
What are your two details that you put in? Can you point to your two details?
That's a great idea.
Very good. Excellent.
I only have one.
What's your one detail? Good. Read your whole sentence. Start with my.
My
My what?
grandma's
Are. Very good. What's another fact you could say about it?
my camel is
Very good. That would be two facts. Excellent start, Hudson.
So, and black. That is not full sentence. We have to start it with are black, or we need to say they are also black or something else, because and black. Black what? Change your thought. So, can we restart this sentence and make it a complete sentence? So what do you want to write? You want to say are black, or they are black, or okay, let's do one sentence. Again, let's start with purple and black. Hang on 1 second. And then you can switch. That would probably be best. Get rid of that period and start the sentence. You're blue? Here. Well, I'll give you a big hint. This first sentence says my pajamas are. So if you just copy it, then you can you just have to write. So figure out how to spell it. I really like this first part. My pajamas are decorated. There and then there. Doesn't make sense. Just saying, right? So I'm saying my pajamas are fuller. Does that make sense? I think it would make more sense if you said my pajamas have. But maybe we can change the sentence so that it makes sense. But we're trying to write with my pajamas are. So maybe we can. You like the flavors. Sentence, okay. That's a great sentence. That would work perfectly. Oh, I love that spider. All right, if you're not finished yet, that's okay. We'll have more time later to wrap things up. But let's find our spots on the rugs. And if you're not done with your pajamas, we can keep it on your desk and we'll come back to it later.